Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RXII. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So, not to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just an absolutely monster day here. I mean, to think that the price was not that long ago down in this area of the chart, and then after today, things just absolutely exploded, and, the price closed well above where it was on Friday. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance. The first area of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that's right there at that green line, $2.45. Now, if the price drops below it, I'm not sitting here saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, but if the price can continue to maintain above that 245, that would definitely make the chart look the most powerful going forward. Next level of support after 245 would be where that bleeding stopped today after the pullback, and that was down there $2.07. The price made the big move and got all the way up there. But then, it did start to pull back. So that's always where things get a little nerve-wracking because people start to think, is this price going to just collapse to where it started, or is it going to finally level off a little bit? And, the price gave the answer right there. The bulls stepped back in at 207, so that'll be that next level of support. So two near-term levels of support here from the broad scope of things. It's all about that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. I realize right now being way down here and the price closed way up here, it's not too relevant. But like I said, over time, it's going to move its way upwards and get more and more relevant. Now for the fun stuff, what about areas of resistance? So if the price is going to continue on up, where are some of these battlegrounds at? For this one, there's two main ones, the fun one and then kind of the first bridge one. I'll explain what I mean. The fun one is just simply where the party stopped today, up there at 293. And I fully realize that, this is the level of resistance that's always fun to talk about, because what's better than talking about going to previous highs, or better yet, breaking to new highs? In order to break to new highs, the bulls do have to push through 293. But in many cases, there's other bridges that first need to be crossed. And in this case, that first bridge sits right down here at this point, and that sits at $2.65. So 265 is that initial area. Then, it makes sense to start to talk about that level up there. But one step at a time, one bridge at a time. And again, first bridge at 265. Any way you slice it, though, very, very nice start to the week. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.